Hey, just wanted to do a quick video on how I installed my dash cam, my 900S Blackvue 2-channel. In Hey, just wanted to do a quick video on how I installed my dash cam, my 900S Blackvue 2-channel into my 2018 E300. I was mainly looking on how to hardwire it on YouTube, didn't find anything, so I figured it out. So I thought I'll help anyone else who is interested. Let's get to it. Well, basically, I run the wires. I tuck it in under the under the lining. This one is the wire for the power. I run it this way on the passenger side. Tuck it in. I did take this out a little bit. I didn't take it all the way out. Just take it in to tuck the wire in between, and tuck it all the way here to the back. For the back camera, I ran it the other way, all the way back, and tuck the remaining wires in the back there. I did take this off. It's easy to come off. Just basically pull on it a little bit, it'll release, and then tuck the wire behind it, and make it a lot easier. In the back here, I continue run the wire this way, all the way down. You see it came out here a little bit. If you want, you could take this piece off. There's a bolt under here. I think you have to take the seat out here and run it this way and drop it down. But to me, right there is good. In the trunk, this is where I hardwired it. I got a fuse tap right here. There's an empty space. Below that is the 215 amp fuse. One is for the cigarette lighter and one is for the power outlet next to the cigarette lighter, I believe. But right here, where I have the fuse tap, that was an empty space, and I was getting power from it when the car is on, or when the car is off, it wasn't giving any power, so it was the right spot. Put it in there, and I ground it over here. If you can see that, if you can see that, I just loosened it a bit and pushed the ground wire between it. And that's basically it. And oh yeah, I use a wire hanger. I was trying to take this panel off, but I use a wire hanger and kind of fish the wire through here, run it up from here, fish it through here, and I set up the Blackvue battery pack right there. See, it's connected. It's hold on there with it's pretty secure there on with the Velcro. Holds on this pretty good. It's not going anywhere. Let me give you a closer view. Yeah, so on the remain of the wire, I tuck it in, right between there. Yeah, as I said, I use one of those steel hangers, kind of fish it through from over there, fish it through here, and then pull it through on this side. I don't want to take this pin out, so I fish it through from here again and make the connection right there. This is the power wire, yeah, for the camera. As I said, you could take this out, but this is the only wire that is really showing, so I figured that's good enough. So that's basically it in a nutshell. If you want to add, you have the additional battery packs, you could add it on here and stick it on here as well. That's what I'm thinking of doing. But this give me like full charge. It give me like maybe 15 to 16 hours of park mode power. So that's pretty good enough. That's, you know, sort of good enough for me. I really don't need to get an extra one. So yeah, just thought I'll do this. As I said, just thought I'll do this to help anyone out who's interested in doing the same thing. The battery pack, I preferred to keep it in the front, but it's pretty good there. It doesn't get too hot or anything, and it's out the way. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching.